dudes, it's Apple Wolf 427 back in action. And I got a Windblade. I gave her a G1 on style, even though she was not in G1. And I gotta admit, she's looking good for a fembot. That's probably one of my favorites, actually. Really love the face paint. And to be honest, really clean jet mode. Oh, I just figured out those back thrusters were her limit. Oh, she really. Still, I really love her. But that's probably because I watched Robots in Disguise 2015. You know, she was one of the best characters there. Nobody can change my mind. And while I was at it, I grabbed a 4-star exhaust. Why did I say so much? To be honest, I kinda like him. The scaffolding detail on his leg looks nice. Though I mainly know him because of Transformers War for Cybertron Earthrise and how he was part of Double Dealer's crew. To be honest, clean alt mode. Okay, intimidation factor check. And kind of a limp. Looks boring.